Hello. Welcome to this Canva T Shirt Design tutorial. My name is David Oisamoje. I'm the owner and founder of What is T Shirt Design. So, without wasting much of your time, like I always do in most of my videos, when it's updated, I do that is to give a shout out to all my lovely subscribers. You guys are amazing. So, without wasting much of your time, I just want to say thank you to David, thank you to Riga, thank you to DJ Modern Agency, thank you to Islam, thank you to Blue Cedar, thank you to if I don't pronounce it well, I'm really sorry, but thanks you guys for subscribing. I really appreciate you guys. I always want to appreciate my new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys for subscribing. If you're yet to subscribe, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure if you're subscribed is in red font, make sure you hit it so that it turns to gray font. And thank you guys for my returning customers, for those that are just returning to watch my video who enjoy my video daily. I really appreciate you guys. You guys have been amazing. So with that out of the way, let's go into today's video. So today's video is going to be a very simple one. You know, the process is 4-stage process. So open canva.com. It's going to be someone requested. Let me check. Let me see if I can find the comment. So someone requested. The comment is not shown. Someone requested I do a phrase, a typographic kind of design. So now that is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go to create a design, standard dimension. So the standard dimension is 4,500 by 5,400 pixel, nothing more. So you create your design. It's going to open a new tab. Once it's done opening a new tab, you go to upload. Over to this layer, you slide down to where it says upload. You click on upload image or videos. So now this is where it gets interesting. As you can see, I have this mom shirt folder. If I click on it, I have this designs you can see. So to get this your design, to get this amazing design, all you have to do is use for Android. If you're an Android user, you use what swag. Use what swag. You can check that on what do you call it, the Play Store. I prefer on the Android Play Store. Search for what swag. Then you can just put in your phrase and to create different designs. So you just pick from the design you want. If you are on an iPhone, you use Typorama. So you can see it's uploading. It's uploading, so just wait for it to upload. So as I was saying, if you're on Android, you use WordSwag. If you're on iPhone, you use Typorama to get these designs. So as you can see, this we have a white background, but you can see our font is obviously in white, so we're going to change that before we click on that. So we click on black, we change our background to black. That's the first step. So the second step will be bringing in this our design. It's a simple design, a text design, no elements, just phrases, putting phrases together. So please, as we are trying to upload our design, don't click off. Please watch to the very end. And if you're just joining for the first time, make sure after this video you go over to watch some other videos. I have a lot of videos out already, so you can just go through the channel, pick about 10, watch them, get used to the design process, and you're good to go. So now that our design is ready, you just click on it once. It will appear, as you can see. It says Grateful Mama. So that's all we want to do. So we just click on download. So click on that. It's going to prepare download. Like I said, if you're on Android, you need to download WordSwag. If you're on iPhone, you need to download Typorama for iPhone, WordSwag for Android. So that's it. Then you put in your phrase into the file and just keep on changing your design. You have so many designs you can choose for, you just keep on changing it. So now as you can see, because you're using the free version of Canva, you can't remove your background, but I'll show you how to remove your background as we move on to the second stage. So now you just click on our design to make sure it's downloaded, show folder. So this design, this was one I did in the past. If you check my channel, you see, you can watch that. So now just right click, open with Photoshop, open with Photoshop. This is stage 2. This is the process where I remove the background from the design. So you open with Photoshop. As you can see now, we opened it with Photoshop. So you click on this folded paper which says create new layer. You click on that, then click on layer 0. Then you head over to this side, the right hand side. You see a tool called the magic word tool. You click on it and just click on this black. It's going to highlight all the black. And you just click on delete. It's going to delete all the black. So you can see you still have some black left. So you just go in and click on that, delete. Click on that, delete. And click on that, and delete. So now that we've done that already, all we have to do is to save it. Come to File, Save As, go to Pictures, More, save as Mama, PNG. Always remember to save as PNG because I don't want to write that down. So you save it as PNG. Click on Save, press OK. I hope you guys are following me. If you're enjoying the video so far, please make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. Make sure you like and share the video. So let's move over to stage 3. So go back to Pictures. We come back to Mockups. If you check my channel, you already know I use my favorite mockup, which is the anger mockup. So I just open that. That's what we'll be using this. So we move on to where it says your design is on top. We delete that. And so now we're bringing our design, our new design. It says Mama. So it's Mama. So this is our new design. The one we just finished. So click and just drag it into the space. Just drag it into the space. It's gonna appear big, as you can see. So we just reduce it over our mouse with edge and press down key button, our Alt key button, Shift key button, and left mouse button, and drag inward. So now that when we are done, we just release our left mouse click button and our other key button and press enter. And now we can save that. Go to save. Go to save. We just click on save. And now when we go back, it should be on our shirt. As you can see, it says Grateful Mama. So now you have it on your shirt. All you have to do now is to save that. Just save that. Go to File. Go to File. Save as. Go to Mama. And save it as JPEG. Now this file we can, once we're done saving, we can just send it over to find a family page on Instagram or Facebook. The page talking about family, childbearing, and the rest. So just find those pages and just tell them you want to promote your shirt, and you guys will bargain the price and you're good to go. So you see, it didn't take us much time, just about 8 minutes to design this good design, and we can try to change the colors. So to do that, we just over our mouse to this edge. You see, if I put it like that, it's white and we can't really see anything. Take it to make this black. As you can see, this Grateful Mama. You can just keep on changing it, keep on changing the colors. Keep on changing the colors like that. You just keep on changing the colors. As you can see, just keep on changing the color. You can change it to whatever you want. The other thing you will want to do is, so I think I like this color. I'll save it. Let me save it as this color. I'll go back. So you can save as PNG. You can save. You save it as this color. I think I prefer this color. I don't know why. So just save it. You can see it's downloading now. It's done saving, and it didn't take us so much time. So if you look towards your your right hand side, you see a playlist. You can just go to those playlists to see other styles of design, and just make sure you watch a lot of them, watch about 10, and I'm sure you'll be super good in it. So if you want me to do a style of design, just let me know in the comments, and I will definitely do this. This was a request. They wanted me to do this kind of style for him or for her. I don't really know if it's a male or a female, but here is the design. This is the style. So if you want any style of design, just let me know in the comments, and I'll definitely work on that. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Have a nice day.